Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix a network problem in Redmi 13C device. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and search for reset. As you see on the very first, we have option of reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Just click it. As you see on the bottom, we have option of reset setting. Just click on reset settings. After that, click on OK. So as you see, the settings are now reset. Then after that, just go back and in setting we have option of SIM card and mobile network. So we have this window. Just click on the sim. After that, click on access point name, and then on the bottom we have option of reset. Just click on reset again. After that, reset default APN setting completed. So all you guys have to do, just reboot the phone one time so that all the network problem will be fixed. Now reboot it, and that's it. So this is how you can fix the network problem in Redmi 13C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.